Thank you for clicking our video. You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Stinger. The Kia Stinger has a design that is sure to leave an impression. It offers the perfect combination of a sporty look coupled with a wide variety of luxurious features and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, power passenger seat, power lift gate, steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Nine convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.